Then you also have a new brand marketing tool called Syllaby. Is that the correct
Syllabi.
Syllabi? Okay.
Yeah.
So what
Syllabi.
is that,
Yeah.
and how does that work?
Yeah, thanks for asking. So I'm getting into the artificial intelligence game. So
Okay.
I've been in social media for 18 years at this point. And so I've noticed a lot of pain points and problems and obstacles over the years, and I've been working with hundreds of different professionals and businesses at this point in my professional career. And so a lot of the problems that business owners face is not knowing how to get started,